Man. Alright, welcome back. Here's an update. Welcome back. Here's an update with the house. Welcome back. Here's an update. Welcome back, fam. Alright, here's an update with the house. Alright, so next thing on the menu is, actually it's a million things, I gotta be honest, but the main thing I'm concerned with is we gotta do the roof for the kitchen. And I'll be honest with you, I have no idea how to, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about doing a rubber roof, but I'm not a roofer, I'm not a plumber, I'm not an electrician, I don't do HVAC, I'm not a carpenter, I'm nothing, okay? But somebody has to do it. I don't have any money to pay anyone. So I gotta be all of these things. But yeah, so as you see behind us, the house, when you first walked in, when we first purchased it, it's a good sized home, but it was rooms all over the place. So it's almost like a maze. So what we've been doing is reframing and try to give it more of a like a straight path. For example, from the kitchen you could never see the front door. So we open up all that so you have an actual hallway. You could see who's at the front door from the kitchen. So it's just some things like that we had to change. But after we get those major things knocked out, then we'll just rip the rest of the stuff out, put new stuff in, and we'll zip it up. So since it's only me, it's probably gonna be 6 more months, and I'll give you guys updates as I go. But that's about it, man. Again, I want to thank you guys for all the new subscribers, and we're gonna keep pushing. All right, out.